Grab a banana and an egg and let's make this recipe together. Start with the bananas. We'll use 3, peel them first. Slice them into rounds about this size. Then transfer them to a bowl, add 4 eggs. And use a blender to create a smooth mixture. Perfect. Now add 130 grams of brown sugar and cinnamon to taste. Add 4 tablespoons of clarified butter, and using a whisk, mix well. Next, sift in 40 grams of cocoa powder to remove any lumps. Similarly, add 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix until well incorporated. This is the texture you're looking for. Finish the batter by adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Gently fold it in. Now prepare a narrow loaf pan greased with butter and flour and pour in the batter. Top with chocolate chips to taste. And some walnuts too if you'd like. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. It's that simple. We've made a banana cake that's perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. So give it a try and enjoy. We hope you liked it, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cake recipes like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and see you next time.